A Fluency Waterfall consists of 3 tasks across 3 different topics. For the first task, you'll have 90 seconds to speak, 60 seconds for the second task, and only 45 seconds for the last task. The second and third task should be familiar if you were here for the previous day of practice. Come back soon, and today's practice will help you grow. We will always encourage you to record yourself during your practice. This way you can review your recording and make a plan for how you want to improve.
What effect does having to take lots of exams have on how much students learn and how they feel? What role do private companies have in exploring space, and how does this affect government space programs? How can art, music, and stories help us create a more just and fair world?
Stop recording now. You have finished for today. We can't wait for you to come back tomorrow and do it again. Unless today is Saturday, and then we will see you on Monday. With the next set of practice tasks, you will see today's 90 and 60-second task again but have less time to speak. You will also be introduced to a new topic for your practice.